Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you my first month's revenue on Skillshare and why I am so excited. Literally, I just woke up this morning and I started putting my classes on Skillshare in the beginning of June, not even in the beginning of June. I think it was like June 10th or 11th. And my first revenues came in today, July 16th. Skillshare pays you via PayPal only, so you must have a PayPal account in order to get paid through Skillshare. And every 16th of the next month, so if you earn royalties in June, you get paid in July, so you have to wait till the next 16th of the month. They pay you. So they just paid me. They paid me over $2,200, and I am shocked. I really was expecting, I think like $500 or $600, and I would have been thrilled with that. They paid me $2,000 on my very first month teaching on Skillshare. Now, I'm only sharing this with you because I want you to understand that what I'm going to be teaching you in the next videos to come, these are the results that are possible. Now, can you expect to have these exact same results in your very first month starting off? Maybe not, okay? I don't want to lie to you and say that, yeah, if you just do everything that I do, you're going to get these results. There's a lot of things that went into getting these results. So I have a following of more than 100,000 students, and I've been doing this for more than a year and a half, and I've just really dedicated my whole life to this really at this point. So that's why these results are coming in as well. But man, I am super excited to be sharing this with you and really just offering a little bit of faith here because, man, there's a great opportunity. If this is my first month, the 2,000, I mean, the sky is the limit with this platform, and I'm just really excited about it. They also sent me $30 in referrals. Now, apparently you have a link once you are an instructor and you have been with them for a little bit. You can share your link, and if anybody uses your link to enroll in a premium subscription, you get $10. So I guess 3 people did that, and I don't even remember sharing my link anywhere, like doing anything crazy. So this was a nice, just extra $30. And I now want to show you in my PayPal account that this is for real, that this isn't just like something I made up. So let's go ahead and look at that in my PayPal account. So as you can see, we got the $2,266 all combined, and the payment from Skillshare, the $30, and then the $2,236. So absolutely just thrilled, really excited about this. And I now want to share with you our course goals and how you can start getting some great results like this. And even if you don't get half of these results, every little bit helps. And I think I just really wanted to share this with you because I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to teach you how I was able to do this. So let's go ahead and start with the course goals and really mapping out how to use this course so that you're not wasting your time and you're not just kind of like going all over the place and not getting to where you want to get to.